Hi traders, I'm Jake from Simple Elite Traders. Our story is simple. After losing substantial amount of money, we went to learn technical trading, and now we are a consistent market winner. However, we spent over £40,000 on education, which is staggering. So therefore, our mission is to provide the most cost-effective financial literacy so more people hopefully can learn and benefit from the market. Please kindly allow 2 minutes and let me introduce our simple trading program, which I believe is the best for beginners trader. It includes educational trading videos so you can learn at your own time. Additionally, we host free live trading events per week so you can learn how professional traders trade. To ensure you master technical trading, we will hold a daily face-to-face full-day trading bootcamp every month. While you're learning, you can also follow our trading ideas to earn money while you learn. We have a fantastic offer, free trial for 30 days on our simple trading program, and I'm sure you don't want to miss out. So click the link as soon as possible to avoid disappointment. Many thanks for your time, and we cannot wait to trade with you side by side. Thank you.